Most 54-footers feel their length. The Aquila 54 yacht delivers the interior volume of a 68-foot monohull. Same parking space, twice the platform. Built by Aquila Power Catamarans. Naval architecture by J&J Design. A purpose-built power cat, not a sailboat with engines bolted on. 54 feet overall, 25 feet of beam. 2 Volvo Penta D6 diesels, 380 horsepower each, 760 horsepower total. The D8 upgrade pushes total output to 960. Top end runs 22 knots. Cruise comfortable at 15 to 17. Range at 7.8 is 957 nautical miles. 54 feet length overall, 25 feet of beam, 4 feet 6 inches of draft, 581 gallons of fuel, 264 gallons of fresh water. 4 engineering choices set this hull apart. Underwater bulbs at the forward edges reduce pitch and improve fuel economy. The 25-foot beam delivers 68-foot interior volume. Category A ocean certification means it's rated for blue water passage. The optional enclosed sky lounge adds a second helm and second salon above the main deck. 3, 4, or 5 stateroom configurations. Full beam master forward on centerline with hull-side windows and a 2-sink head. 2 guest staterooms aft, each with private head. Optional crew cabin with separate exterior access. Bottom line, built for the owner-operator who wants serious range and real liveaboard space without hiring crew. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.